In this demo, we're going to create a movie schedule where we'll create a dictionary of the current movie showtimes and ask the user if they want to look up a certain showtime. Back before the internet, you used to have to call the movie theater on your phone and listen to a list of the movies and their showtimes. So this could be like that old system. We have VS Code open and we're going to create a new file called movieschedule.py. Then we'll start out by creating our dictionary and adding our movies and showtimes. We can either add each key value pair inside the curly brackets, or we can just create an empty dictionary and then add each key value separately. It doesn't really matter, so we'll just keep this one. Now, how can we ask the user what movie they want the showtime for? Let's use the input function with the prompt, "What movie would you like the showtime for?" And we'll save the response to a movie variable, since they'll hopefully respond with a movie title. We could even be fancy and print out which movies we currently have. So before the input line, let's add a print statement for, "We're currently showing the following movies." Then to print each movie, we can do a for loop over the dictionary. And this defaults to the keys if we don't use the items method on the dictionary. Then inside the loop, we'll print each key. Now let's run this and make sure it looks as expected. Looks good, and we can enter a movie title. Since this is working so far, we want to take that movie title and look up its showtime in the dictionary. So we'll create a showtime variable and set it equal to calling currentmovies.get and then pass in the requested movie variable in parentheses. Now the showtime should be there if the movie exists. But if the user typed in a movie that isn't in the dictionary, then the showtime is none. We can use an if statement to check if the showtime equals none. If it is none, we'll print the requested movie isn't playing. Otherwise, we found the showtime, so we can print movie is playing at showtime. Now let's run this and see how it works. We'll put in the Grinch first and we can see it's playing at 11 a.m. And if we run again and instead put in a movie that isn't there, like Dr. Seuss, we see the requested movie isn't playing. Great, our movie schedule is working using dictionaries.